What you should be doing in Langkawi, Malaysia. Paradise 101. Paradise 101 is a private day resort island ideal for your long-awaited vacation. It is one of the newest tourist attractions for relaxation and enjoyment. Fun sports activities may be enjoyed with your family and friends on the environmentally friendly island. The site offers endless thrill, from banana boat rides to jet ski rides and snorkeling. Paradise 101 is located in Panti Beach, near Talaga Harbor, and is easily accessible by boat shuttle. You may spend your days doing sports and swimming in the island's beautiful waters. At night, you may join the exclusive island party to make the most of your visit. Panti Beach, one of Langkawi's most famous tourist destinations, is a must-see for any island visitor. This beautiful beach area is surrounded by a variety of local restaurants, bars, and cafes, making it ideal for families looking to spend a relaxed afternoon on the island soaking up the sun. Water sports such as jet skiing, banana boating, kayaking, canoeing, and parasailing are popular at the beach for those looking for a more adventurous afternoon. Tuja Waterfalls. The Tuja Waterfalls are one of Langkawi's most stunning and spectacular places. This spectacular natural feature is made up of a succession of natural ponds and is located in the northwest region of the island. These structures are fed by 7 separate waterfalls that originate from Mount Nag Sinking, a single peak. The place has been called the Land of the Fairies by locals because to its mysterious and uplifting nature. You may take a plunge in the waters or take in the vistas from the 2 viewing platforms. Beaches. You can't beat a day sunning on one of Langkawi's stunning beaches if you're seeking for the classic holiday relaxing destination. The island is known for having some of Malaysia's most stunning beaches, and there are so many to pick from that you will be spoiled for choice. Panti Beach is a famous tourist destination. However, if you want a more private setting, we recommend Panti Beach. Black Sand Beach. Another famous tourist and local destination is Black Sand Beach. Despite its name, the beach is really a mixture of black and white sand generated by a nearby hot springs trickling. Some residents, though, think it is the consequence of a centuries-old curse cast by a mermaid when a fisherman stole her ring. This intriguing beach is located southwest of Tanjung Ru Beach and provides a tranquil escape from the island's more popular locations. Mangrove Forest. The location, which is adjacent to sandy beaches and azure lagoons, even features a floating restaurant where you can relax in the evening. One of the nicest things to do in Langkawi with your family is to watch the sunset in Kilim. Kilim Nature Park is the closest thing you can come to embracing nature up close. With its abundance of green plants and trees, the mangrove forest will bring you the closest to nature's magnificent beauty. The area is 100 square meters and includes natural habitats as well as animals and plants. While taking an eco-friendly tour of the mangrove forest, you may view brown eagles, lizards, and macaques distributed throughout the area. Gunung Raya? Do you prefer the mountains? If so, climbing up Langkawi's tallest peak might be one of the most enjoyable and cost-free activities available. The mountain's elevation of 881 meters makes it ideal for a morning or evening hike. From the top of the mountains, you can see Langkawi and capture some truly unique photos. If you're lucky, you can see hornbills, eagles, monkeys, and other colorful birds swooping across the skies to greet you on your journey. If your legs give out after a long day of hiking, you may drive up the mountain for a 20-30-minute scenic trip. Then go for it and climb Gunung Raya's 4,287 stairs. Cycle your way around Langkawi. Why take a dull one-on-one tour when you can ride around the exotic island by yourself? Ironman triathlons and other sporting events draw a large number of bikers to the area. It will allow you to discover the endless possibilities in Langkawi. You may rent a bike for Rm50 per day and ride from Kuwait to Padang Matsarat and beyond on the bike-friendly Langkawi route. If you're visiting Langkawi with a group of cycling enthusiasts, organize a marathon of touring the island's many tourist sites. Make a pit break at a park or a Y-side eatery if you feel tired. Make a day of it by indulging in delectable island foods. Hot spring time at Erhangat. Erhangat, which translates to hot water, is a lovely town with several hot springs. The spring's saline water is claimed to have medicinal qualities. If the countless walks and treks to Langkawi have left you fatigued, soak your aches and pains in the spring's hot water. This relaxing experience, among other things to do in Langkawi, will rejuvenate you for the remainder of your tour as you bathe and recuperate in the warm therapeutic water. Multiple spa centers are also available for maximum relaxation. For additional adventure, rent a private open-air jacuzzi and explore the several springs accessible here. Peringan Waterfall. Malaysia's unpredictable weather may often derail your outdoor plans. Camping down the Peringan Waterfall is one of the greatest things to do in Langkawi in 2021 to make the most of a wet day. The famed durian fruit inspired the name of this waterfall. The natives' favorite tropical fruit is an oval fruit with a strong aroma. If you go to the waterfall, you will see an abundance of this tree all around it. In wet weather, Peringan, located north of Kilim village, provides a magnificent sight. As the water cascades down from the top of the 14-tiered spectacular waterfall, you won't be able to take your gaze away.